Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Iron Man Mark 20 Mark 18 from ZD Toys, 110 scale Iron Man collections. Thank you very much, Sir Mark of Laruan, and thank you very much for sending this for unboxing and review. Thank you very much for sponsoring this video. So let's start with the packaging. Very high quality cardboard box. Sa upper left, Marvel Studios, The Infinity Saga, Marvel logo, ZD Toys logo, 110 scale Iron Man figure. Photo of the action figure, Marvel Studios Iron Man 3, Mark 18 sa side. You have the Disney seal na logo and yung Zongdong Toy na text. Ang ibig sabihin ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toy. Tapos sa likod, front and back shot of the action figure, dynamic poses, information about the company, QR code, barcode, Marvel Studios Iron Man 3. Tapos dito merong magnetic flap, open lang natin yan. Sa first tray nandito yung action figure, sa second tray naman nandun yung accessories. Alright, this is Iron Man Mark 18 out of the packaging. Para siyang Iron Man Heartbreaker. Pero iba lang yung colorway niya. Grabe, ang ganda ng colorway nito. Para siyang medyo may dark gray with purple, very light purple hue. Siguro mga 5% yung purple hue na nakikita ko dito. And yung gray, siguro mga 95%. Hindi siya LED version. And sana gumawa si ZD Toys ng LED version lang ng lahat ng armors nila para pag gumawa tayo ng mga house party protocol armors, mas maangas tingnan kapag meron light up features. Pero kahit non-LED, grabe sobrang ganda pa rin. Kasi grabe yung sculpt nila, very fine, and also the arc reactor is very well sculpted, translucent plastic. So if you do some LED modifications, pwede yan lagyan ng ilaw pati yung head. And grabe, ang ganda ng ganda ng colorway nito. So you have very muted na colorway. So you have silver and dark gray with purple hue. Tapos dito naman yung back part niya, you have the silver plated na head armor. You have the earpiece, very large arc reactor na nakapa-X. And then you have the flaps here sa likod, shoulder armors, biceps. Ganda rin ng design ni Iron Man kasi yung mga joints niya, meron ding mga inner na mechanism. So you don't seamless pa rin kahit na i-bend mo. Seamless pa rin yung ano niya, yung look niya. Okay? Tapos meron siya mga accessories na repulsor blast effects or usually parang siyang fire effect eh. Titingnan niyo, parang fire effect. Tapos or booster effect pag nilagay niyo sa paa na pwede niyo i-attach sa feet and sa both of his hands. Okay, very nice. Stig. Sobrang ganda talaga ng gawa ni ZD Toys pagdating sa mga Iron Man action figures. And dun sa mga ni-review ko na mga Spider-Man, ang ganda ng ginawa nila dun sa Spider-Punk. Super, super cool. And then you have the waist. Dito, yung, parang iba yung, parang mas dark to kaysa dito. Yeah, I think this is darker than this. Ito yung silver. Very metallic paint job. Very nice. No amount of weathering involved here sa paint job na ginagawa ni ZD Toys for their Iron Man armors. Actually, wala pa ako nakikita ang ginawa nila na ano, no, na may weathering. Laging clean paint job. Super immaculate. Ganda. Metallic finish. Tapos, ito nga parang parang nasa satin. Ang ganda ng finish ng ng armor na 'to. Super cool. Lalo na pag nakatabi na sa mga Iron Man na armor sa House Party Protocol. This is very nice. Then you have the large hip armor, knee pads, tapos ganda ng cuff armor. And then you also have the silver segment here na meron ding articulation para hindi mahinder yung movement ng kanyang legs. And then you have the feet. Okay? In terms of articulation naman, head can move up, down, 360. Pwede ba? Oh, medyo maano yung tunog ah. 360. Okay? Tapos, medyo mahigpit lang yung tunog nun. Tapos, pwede nyo i-extend yung shoulder for better articulation. bicep rotation, double jointed na elbow, and then ball joint yung kamay. You can also twist the body, stretch that far, ab crunch, left and right, pwede rin. Tapos wala siyang cock dito. Okay? You can pull the leg down, kick that far, okay? Tapos, don't forget na iangat tong flap na to para makagawa siya, para ma-extend niyo yung paa. Para ma-extend niyo yung bend to 90 degrees. Okay? Back kick that far. Tapos, you can also have side-to-side movement here. And also, ball joint yung paa dito. Sa iba pa niya accessories, meron siyang booklet na nandito lahat ng Ironman armor na ni-release ni ZD Toys. Actually, sobrang dami na kaya grabe. Bumili na kayo nito mga ma'am sir. Ang ganda ng mga ito. Ito yung Mark 17 na Heartbreaker. Iba pala yung head, okay. Pero halos same yung okay. Halos same yung arc reactor, iba lang to. Yung part na to sa upper back. Sa may shoulders. Ito, I think for Mark 7 to. Meron din pala dito. Meron din pala articulation dito sa flaps. Ito. Yan. Articulate din pala yung mga flaps niya. Okay? So, yan. Meron siyang kasamang booklet, War Machine, information about the toy. I think you can use Google Translate here para makita niyo. May 29 na ba? I think wala pa tayo nito. Mark 29. Yes, ang ganda nito Meron siyang red arm attachment. Also, Mark 42 is very nice with ano tawag dyan? Set a circular platform, something like that. Circular base. Ironman Igor, Ironman Mark 40, 39 Star Boost. Star Boost is really cool too. We have Bones, yes, we're done with that. Mark 44 is very cool. Hulkbuster especially. Grabe. Sobrang ganda ng mga armors ito. 45, 46, 47, and 50. Okay. Other accessories include hexagonal base with a pole. Spring-loaded naman yung kanyang clamp. So you can hold Mark 18 kapag gusto nyo ng dynamic poses. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 alt hands. And then you have the card. A card, teka lang featuring ZD Toys Ironman Mark 3. Tapos sa likod, I think ito, pag ni-scan nyo to, some information about the ZD Toys o kaya yung account nila. Hindi ko alam kung anong logo to eh. Okay? Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Again, thank you very much Laro Anan for sending this Ironman Mark 18 for unboxing and review. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.